Victory is a fickle mistress, failure a haphazard executioner. For those with the courage to persevere will not abide to their dictates. The Tetrarchs of Ultramar served as the governors of the Masterworlds of the Ultramar system during the Great Crusade. Revered Ultramarine Legion Astartes heroes, the Tetrarchs would number only 4 members for each of the Masterworlds: Saramanth, Konor, Occluder, and Ajax. Each planet holds dominion over 500 worlds, making the Tetrarchs amongst the single most powerful Space Marines, or indeed humans, ever to serve the Imperium. Answering directly to their Primarch, Roboute Guilliman, the Tetrarchs outrank even the Legion's chapter masters and Ultramar's planetary governors. The rank of Tetrarch would be dissolved during the events of the Horus Heresy, however would be reinstated during the 42nd millennium by the Avenging Sun, primarily due to Ultramar's burgeoning infrastructure requiring renewed governance. Each Tetrarch is protected by an honor guard commanded by a chosen of the Tetrarchy. Though each Tetrarch is a proven veteran of countless campaigns and can hold their own in battle. History has records of only 9 Astartes to be bestowed the honorific of Tetrarch. The Great Crusade would see the planet of Konor ruled by Ikos Lamiad, Saramanth ruled by Toro Nicodemus, Ajax ruled by Stolas Amintas, and Occluder first ruled by Eben Frane, and later Valentus Dolor, the champion of Guilliman. During the era Indomitus, only Konor would remain as a bastion of Ultramar, ruled by Severus Agaman, captain of the Ultramarines' First Company and regent of Ultramar. The planets of Saramanth, Occluder, and Ajax would relinquish their status as the Tetrarchies of Ultramar due to their diminished resources, ravaged landscapes, and faltering importance to their realm. In their place, 3 new planets would be given favor. Andormung would be ruled by Tetrarch Porton of the second founding Ultramarine successor, Genesis Chapter. The planet of Protos would be commanded by Balfus, captain of the second founding chapter, the Doom Eagles. And finally, Decimus Felix, Primaris Ultramarine whom served alongside the Primarch during the Plague Wars, commands the planet of Vespator. For the Ultramar system is besieged by all manner of fell Xenos and Chaos warbands, with Macragge the most sought-after prize of the enemies of the Imperium, with exception to Holy Terror. The Tetrarchs of Ultramar shall defend the backbone of humanity's war effort without relent, for the glory of their Primarch and the honor of Ultramar.